Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me.
So tired. I'm gonna show you my no makeup, really luminous skin. If you guys saw my skincare top shelf tour, then a lot of you guys wanted to see that makeup that I had on, and it wasn't a lot of products, but it still was some products. So what I have been really loving to do is use an oil. So I'll warm up an oil, kind of like a primer in a way. So this is the Mara Universal Face Oil. It's all 100% natural. So it feels really yummy for my skin. And I just like to put a few dots and warm it up in my hands. And you can feel the oil really warm up in there. And then I just pat it, and that oil is going to not only hydrate my skin, but allow it to really look super healthy. Pat, pat, pat. I love to sit in front of my mirror when I'm feeling super lazy. So my next step is the MAC Face and Body. I love this foundation. I just like to shake it up. It's super lightweight, but it still covers and it doesn't really break up as much as other really lightweight foundations do. I like to just smear that on, and it works really well with the oil actually. It's really buildable, so you can keep adding for more coverage. Like I have a lot of spots and redness here. So now we have that nice luminous base. See? So moving on to concealer. I love this one by RMS. It is called the Uncover Up Concealer, and I'm in the shade 22. And I just love to get it right up in here to really brighten. This is a really nice one to brighten up. You see those like dark circles that I have going on there? It really like helps bounce the light off, and it makes you look wide awake. I love this one. It doesn't do the best at not creasing, like it really creases a lot, but I like it because it's so creamy and it doesn't put any fine lines on blast. It just makes me look really youthful. You can also use it to cover up any spots for like any extra coverage, but I mainly just like it for under the eyes. Like I have a spot right there that I'm just gonna, whatever, it's fine. You see how much beam? So next I'm gonna use my iconic London Brow. This is so awesome because it's a cushion for your eyebrows. I've been really into this lately because it does a really nice job. I have like these pretty prominent scars through my brows, and because mine are so thick, I love how this is like so pigmented to just fill in. Yeah, I really love how natural this one is. For blush, I ended up mixing two cloud paints, Beam and Puff. So I just like to put little dots on the back of my hand, and then I just mix them back here like paint. And then with these two fingers, I just pat it to give me that nice natural blush. I forgot about boy brows, so I love to brush these guys out, make them look really fluffy. I'm kind of out of control right now, but I like a really feathery, strong brow. And then to get that nice dewy highlight, I mean all the products that I've used are already super dewy. This gives you a really nice glossy beam. You can either put it on the back of your hand like this and then do that if you don't want to disrupt your foundation, if you have something a bit thicker, but I like to just pat it right onto the high points of my cheekbones. Just a beautiful face gloss. I love this guy by Ciate. I have a bunch of different face glosses So I switch it up, but I do love this one. So now you can really see it catch the light. And now to finish everything off, I love a really nice berry tint. So I've been obsessed with this one lately. It's the Dino Platz Lip Balm. And I'm pretty sure it's what I had in that video. So, keeps your lips hydrated, but it gives them a little flush of color. This is in the color Spilled Wine, and it makes you look more alive. Like automatically, I look more alive, don't I? No, makeup. Foot is asleep. Oh my god. So that is it. That is my fresh face, everyday, no makeup, kind of a vibe. Where people think you don't have makeup, but you really have on like 7 products. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you and you enjoyed. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.